Hello, I'm Dave from the Thompson-Nicola Regional Library. In this video, I'll show you how to use the PressReader app to access thousands of newspapers and magazines from around the world. PressReader currently offers digital versions of over 7,000 publications from more than 100 countries in over 60 languages. It can be accessed through our library website by going to tnrl.ca, scrolling down to our digital library section, and clicking on the Press Reader button. However, for this video, I'll be using the Press Reader app. The app is available for iOS, Android, Windows, and Mac devices. I'll be using an iPad for this video, so I'll search for Press Reader on the Apple App Store and install it. Once the app is installed, tap on the Press Reader icon to open it. Choose your notifications preference, then tap on the Accounts tab and tap Sign In. Choose Libraries and Groups and tap on Select Library or Group. Choose whether or not to allow PressReader to access your location. Then tap Search Libraries and Groups. Type Thompson into the search box and then tap on Thompson-Nicola Regional Library. Enter your library card number and PIN. Then tap the Sign In button. If you've never used PressReader before, you'll be prompted to create a free account. If you agree with the terms of use and privacy policy, fill out the form and then tap the Agree button. You'll now have 30 days of free PressReader access. When your 30 days are up, you can simply sign out and sign back in again with your library card for another 30 days of free access. Tap on the Browse tab. Now you can browse the collection by category, country, or language. If you want to browse only magazines or newspapers, tap the Magazines or Newspapers buttons. Let's see what Canadian publications are available. I'll tap on Countries and then scroll down and tap on Canada. PressReader currently includes over 400 Canadian publications. I'll choose the province for this example. The current issue is displayed on the left, with previous issues displayed on the right. You can also tap on the calendar to browse by month. If you'd like PressReader to automatically download new issues of the publication, you can tap the Auto Download switch. The heart icon will add the publications to your favorites, and the speaker icon will read the articles out loud. Tap the cover of the issue you'd like to read. Use the page thumbnails at the bottom of the screen to choose a page to read, or swipe left or right to change pages. Pinch to zoom in or out. Tap the title of an article to switch to reading view. Tap the back button to go back to full page view. Long press an article title for additional options. For example, PressReader can translate articles into about 20 different languages. Tap in the middle of the screen to bring up navigation options. I'll use the back button to go back to the landing page. Now I'll demonstrate how to search for a publication. Tap in the Search Publications box and type in the name of the publication. I'll use Canadian Geographic for this example. Now I'll tap the cover to see what issues are available. I'll add this publication to my favorites list as well. This time I'll scroll down and choose a previous issue. I'll choose the January 2019 issue so I can read about glacier bears. If you want to jump directly to an article, tap on the Table of Contents page, and then tap on the article title or page number. Now I'll tap the article title to switch to Reading View, and tap the green arrow to display the rest of the article. Let's go back to the landing page one more time by using the back button. I'll clear my search by tapping on the X in the search box. Publications that you add to your favorites will show up under My Publications when you're on the Browse tab. To see issues that are currently downloaded on your device, tap the Downloaded tab. Downloaded issues will stay on your device until you delete them. To delete an issue, long press it and then tap the trash can icon. Thanks for joining me today for this introduction to the PressReader app. If you have any questions, please contact us by email at questions@tnrd.ca or by phone at 250-372-5145. Thanks for watching.